Hello! Thank you for visiting again to the Cosmic Patterns channel. Today, we are going to show you how to create a planet text ephemeris and the asteroids ephemeris from the Sirius program. During the good old days, you have to have the planet's text ephemeris book so that you can see what are the current positions of the planets for the day. And now we kind of eliminated that, although we still sell the books, the ephemeris books, but within the Sirius program, there's now an option within the Kepler Workshop section of the Sirius program where you can create a planet text ephemeris on any days and year that you want to use for the years that are covered within the program. And also you can create an asteroids ephemeris. Now, having an asteroid ephemeris book is not very common, but you have it within the Sirius program. Alright, let me show it to you. Right now we have the Sirius program running here on the screen. And what we do here is we click on ephemeris. You can see you have several options in here, but we're going to show you the planet text ephemeris first. This will take us to the Kepler Workshop. So we click here. Then the Kepler Workshop is displayed. And let me move this a little bit in here so that you can see the whole window. Okay, so this is the Kepler Workshop. As you can see, at the bottom of the Kepler Workshop, it shows the planetary positions of the current day. It's right here at the bottom. You may not have noticed this before, but here it is. But in any case, our purpose for today is to show you the planet text ephemeris. So this is it. It takes you to the planet text ephemeris. Now, if you can move forward, you can click on forward and we'll give you the next month. Okay, so that is the planet text ephemeris. You can also, I've selected it so that you only have 1 month at a time. You can also right click on the screen and then you can ask to have more than 1 month. So we will put say 2 months or 3 months, and then we click on OK, and then you can see we have several months, 3 months at the bottom. Okay, that's the beauty of it. Okay, now you can right click. Then you can do hourly. There is also an hourly within the ephemeris. This is unusual for any program, but this is within the Sirius program. If you want to see it hourly, you click in here. Okay. And then you click on OK. And you will see the hourly positions of the planets in here. And we have it for 3 months. Okay. Now, you may be curious about the asteroids ephemeris. You are already here. There is no need to go back to the main program. What you do here is you click on Tools. You click on, you can right click and you click on Asteroids ephemeris and then you click on OK. And you click on Western, and then click on Text ephemeris, and then click on Asteroids ephemeris. There you go. You've got your asteroids ephemeris in here. Okay, that is, now we can right click, we can do daily, and when we click on OK, now that is the asteroids ephemeris. Same thing, you can go backwards, okay, and you can do forward, you can go forward, if you want to see August of 1999, for example, you can change this year to 1999. This is true with the planet ephemeris as well, or text ephemeris. Okay, it will take you back to 1999, as you can see. Okay, so that is how you create the planet text ephemeris and the asteroid ephemeris within the Sirius program. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Have a good time. You take care now. Bye-bye.